Hey everybody, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and today I'd like to talk about how to reset your time if your time's not set properly on your computer. If you're in Windows 10, you're going to go to the lower right hand corner of your screen. You can see it right here. It says 1:14 p.m. 8/2/29. You're going to right click on the time and date. You're going to left click where it says adjust date and time. And then you're going to see some settings here. You want to make sure that set time automatically is set to on. And if it is set to on and your time is incorrect, what you want to do is you want to turn it off. You want to wait a sec, and then you want to turn it back on. And if you're connected to the internet, this should have the effect of resetting your time properly. You want to make sure if you're using a desktop, that set time zone automatically is set to off, and that your time zone is set to whatever your time zone is. And here in Memphis, it's Central Time. Now, if you're using a laptop and you travel around the country a lot, you may want to have time zone set automatically to on. It just depends on what your habits are and what type of machine you're using. You want to make sure that adjust for daylight savings time automatically is set to on, and that should do it. Basically, just make sure that if your time is wrong, that your set time automatically is set to on, and if it is set to on already, turn it off and turn it back on again and see if that doesn't fix the problem. It usually does. I hope everybody found this video to be helpful. If so, please like and share it. And if you're in the Memphis, Germantown, Midtown, Millington, Cordova, or Collierville area and you need in-home computer repair, please feel free to give me, Dave Bensman, a ring at Bensman Home Computer Repair at 901-830-4362. And as always, stay safe.